Hey guys, it's Colin. In today's video, I'm going to review the Outfitr 2 e-bike rack with ramp. I'm going to unbox, assemble, load 2 e-bikes, test the stability around the city, and then give you a review. So without further ado, let's get started. These are the boxes that it came in. We have the rack, and then we also have the ramp that's separate. This is all of the parts. I didn't see an instruction manual, so I'm just going to figure out how to put this together.
The hitch fits all cars and trucks with 2-inch hitch receivers.
This is a 24mm. The cotter pin goes on the other side so it doesn't fall out. With the handle facing downwards, we're going to slide this in here. There's only one bolt that fits. We're going to feed it through here. Use a flat washer and the nut. These are 24mm. We're going to take this, there's 2 holes, we're going to line them up here. We're going to take this long bolt, feed it through here, put the nut on the other side. Same thing back here. The nut is 17mm, the bolt is 16mm. There's this piece for the wheel. There's 2 holes here, we're going to line them up on both sides, and then put these shorter bolts with the washers on. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. These are 16mm. We're going to put these long poles in. Looking at this bolt, it has a square at the end. We're going to put these pieces of plastic on each side and feed this through. The other end, we're going to put the nut. We're going to angle this bar towards the wheel support. I'm using a 17mm wrench to tighten this. We have this other bracket that holds the e-bike in place. I'm going to slide it down here. I'm going to tighten it for now. We can always adjust it based on our e-bike position. And then I'll repeat the process for this other support. In order to fold this, there's this lever that you need to pull. When you try pulling it, this pin is in the way. These poles might be in the way. You have to pull them down. You need to pull the pin outwards. Then you can pull this lever in and then fold this up.
The rack folds easily for compact storage.
And I noticed that they're still a bit loose. I found that you can tie these straps to prevent this bar from moving so it doesn't hit your vehicle. Let's take a look at this ramp. So this ramp folds outwards. There's a groove that this slides onto so it doesn't slip. Let's try loading an e-bike.
The convenient ramp makes it easy to load and unload the e-bikes, so you don't have to lift the e-bike and strain your body.
This wheel support is adjustable. Pull this upwards, and then you can slide it back and pull this lever down to hold it in place. If this lever is still loose, you can turn it counterclockwise to tighten it. Let's put this strap between the wheel. Do the same with the front wheel. I'm going to adjust the height of the support and the angle, and then I'll tighten it and I'll put this strap through.
The adjustable straps and sliding wheel support accommodates different bike sizes. The extra wide wheel holder can fit fat tire e-bikes like this one.
The bike seems secure.
The rack is made of aluminum, which is a third of the weight of traditional steel racks. The rack has a 200-pound capacity. Each of these e-bikes are at least 80 pounds. Now we're going to test the Outfitr e-bike rack on a bumpy road. Here we can see that the e-bikes remain stable as I'm driving around 20 miles per hour on this road. The rack holds the e-bikes securely. Now we are going to test the rack on a local road. Here I'm going on the main road, doing around 35 miles per hour. The e-bikes remain stable on the rack. I review a lot of e-bikes on this channel and have been looking for a way to transport e-bikes easily without having to disassemble them. I bought this Ford Maverick truck to transport e-bikes, but even then, the bed is only 4 feet long. Long e-bikes don't fit. I have to lift an 80+ pound e-bike up the bed and ratchet strap it down, which takes time. Outfitr reached out to me asking me if I wanted to review their tube e-bike rack, and I quickly agreed because of the following reasons. Number one, it has a convenient ramp, so it makes loading and unloading heavy e-bikes easier without having to lift the e-bikes and putting strain on my body. Number two, it's adjustable and secure. The wide wheel support can fit up to 5-inch tires, and most fat tires are 4 inches wide. The other wheel support can slide, making it fit most e-bikes. The 2-wheel and frame strap make transporting the e-bike secure. Number three, it has a 200-pound load capacity. A lot of fat tire e-bikes are at least 80 pounds, so there's assurance that I can fit 2 without exceeding the load capacity. Number four, the rack easily folds when I'm done, saving space on my vehicle and in the garage. Number five, the rack frame is made of lightweight aluminum, which is about a third of the weight of steel racks. Number six, it fits 2-inch receivers, making it versatile for most cars and trucks. There's also a 1-year warranty and dedicated support team to address any concerns or issues. Let's unload the e-bikes. The e-bikes were secure during the entire trip and remain undamaged. If you're interested in an e-bike ramp, check out the Outfitr 2-bike Hitch e-bike rack with ramp. A link to the product is in the description section below with the latest pricing. Please like this video if you found it helpful. Feel free to leave questions or comments in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and take care.